Hello and welcome to another quick update about Algorand. I was asked to provide one by a few of you guys, so I thought, come on, let's do it. Just a quick one because again, similar to Quant, not too much has happened actually. What we can still see is that we have a very similar triangle that we had on the Quant chart as well. So we're trading here in that range between these two support and resistance lines. So it's an ascending support line and pretty much a descending resistance line. And what we essentially have here is, it's actually even a ascending triangle, I would say, where you have that ascending trend line down here and you have a horizontal resistance line. So actually it's looking more bullish than, for example, the Quant one. Ascending triangle would be rather bullish. Yeah, I think that has changed since the last video because we had this pump all the way up to $2.05, I believe that was roughly. And there we go. Then we suddenly start to have that ascending triangle, which is great, which would then indicate a more bullish scenario here. And what we can see is that I mentioned in the previous video, we have exactly the same pattern that we had back here in around February, March. So that would indicate that we are continuing to see slow price increases like that, but towards maybe towards December, January, that we can get back to the all-time high. Now, you know, alt season is still coming, so I still expect another push more than what we had back here, that we get back to the same level, because essentially the main alt season is still coming. So, you know, we could see higher prices, maybe a 2x, 3x from here in this year's alt season, just based on, you know, what is also expected from other cryptos and other potential projects. There is a bit of there have been a bit of difficulties with tokenomics, you know, tokenomics of Algorand, Algo, when they are being thrown on the market. There's generally a drop in the price, and I believe that is what we saw in February already. Now, however, since then also we've been moving up in price again, and we just need to be a bit patient here, I think. But it's a good sign that we have an ascending triangle here and a lot of potential in this project. Really good team as well. And I can't wait for it to finally break out. And again, similar to Quant, we tried to break out here, and it was a very, it was looking really good. You know, we made a new higher than that one from the 3rd of October, higher from that one from the 23rd of September. We even had a daily close at that level, but, you know, Bitcoin dropped and it took everything down. However, we found support here at this ascending trend line that we had on the chart for a while. And we are now again, and that is good, we are now again above the 20-day moving average. And I think we are also above I think we're just below that 50-day, no, we're just above that 50-day moving average, which is sitting at 185. So that is good. We're just above it, just very, very closely, just above it. And hopefully we will see a close above the 50-day moving average, which would indicate that we could then move up to maybe $2 again, that previous high. This is actually a good formation for trading. I mean, now we can actually quite well see these defined prices from down here from 180 to maybe $2, back and forth a little bit, because there is quite a bit of space before we actually get to the apex. But as I said, you know, we shouldn't really expect any huge pumps now, because if something happens like we had back here in throughout March, it's the same pattern essentially, then yeah, it could take maybe another month for us to get up there, but it would indicate some sort of a near parabolic move to the upside. Like here not parabolic, but it was increasing in momentum until we had that sort of blow off top here, which I hope we won't see again. And I hope also that we will see higher price increases than just what we saw back here, because the alt season should still be coming, and we expect higher prices for Bitcoin and for a lot of the other altcoins. We currently see actually a potential bear or sell signal on the MACD on the daily. Now again, I think that is a bit of it's just an indicator, just one indicator, and that indicator obviously shows that because we had that sort of significant correction. It's actually normal for crypto, but it was quite a bit of a drop on that day. Because we had that, and it shows now because of that, because the indicators sometimes are a bit lagging. The MACD shows now a potential sell signal. However, on the RSI, we're holding about 50. That is powerful. And yeah, I expect here further price increases again, potentially back to the $2 level, $2.05, and then when we are there, we have to see, you know, are we going to break through, which would be great, which could then take us to 216 and maybe really already to new all-time highs, or do we go back down and then we will find support here again at that 186, 187 level, and yeah, that's pretty much where we are. So hopefully you liked that update about Algorand. If you liked it, please smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.